And let's see how's the McVeggie burger here. Oh, that looks so good. It's a regular bun, veg patty. Yeah, I think it's mayonnaise and lettuce on there. Tastes good. They didn't give us any ketchup. I'm gonna grab some ketchup and continue the review. I'm loving it. So that's a new fries box, and these fries look so fresh this time. I also love this new location in Fort Erie. It took us around 5-6 minutes waiting for the burger. I went. So we got the ketchup, which is going to make it so much better. Not here. Loving the Coke. And let's continue the review. So I had one white. Delicious, guys. And overall, and he was Uncle Zones, and I am Uncle someone. Okay, continuing the review with my experience. Loving the fries. Let's try more fries. It's a perfect combo. It's a good meal. If you're hungry, try it. Should be good for you. Especially for the vegetarian people. Or even mix up ketchup on the burger if you want. Because we are going to add some. I'm loving it. Actually guys, I'll give 9 out of 10.